Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix No Man's Sky game not launching or won't launch issue, crashing at a startup, crashing to desktop, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen, or black screen problem on PC. So without wasting any time, let's follow the fixes. The first fix is to stop the audio service before launching the game and then enable the audio as soon as you launch the game. So what you have to do, in Windows search type services and then open it. Now here look for window audio. So type W window audio. Now once you find the Windows audio, right click on it and then click on stop. Now go ahead and launch the No Man's Sky game, and when you see this hello game screen, go back to services, right click on Windows audio and select start. Now you can see that your problem will be fixed. This fix has solved the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. Now second solution is to try -DX11 or -DX12 in launch options. So open Steam, right click on No Man's Sky game. This is just an example I am showing with another game. Then go to properties and in the launch option type -DX11, then close the tab and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again go to properties. Now this time type -DX12, close the tab and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then again go to properties. This time remove the command from the launch options and follow other fixes mentioned in this video. So the next fix is to rename or delete the TK graphics settings.mxml file. So open Steam, right click on No Man's Sky game, then click on manage, browse local files. Now when you click on browse local files, it will take you to the game installation folder. Then open binaries folder and then open settings folder. Inside settings folder, you will find this TKG graphics settings.mxml file. So first of all, keep this backup. So right click on TK graphics settings.mxml and copy it and paste it to desktop first. Now once you have created the backup, then you can either rename this file, you can type .old at the last, or you can simply right click on this file and delete it, and after deleting this file, you can launch the game and check. This has also solved the problem for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. Now fourth solution is to verify the game files. So open Steam, right click on No Man's Sky game. This is just an example. Go to properties, go to installed files tab, then click on verify integrity of game files, and after the verification of the files, you can launch the game and check. Fifth solution is to disable overlays. So go to your Steam library, right click on No Man's Sky, then go to properties and turn off enable the Steam overlay while in game. Make sure it is toggled off. Now disable NVIDIA overlay. Open NVIDIA GeForce Experience settings, general, turn off in-game overlay. Similarly, disable overlay in all apps or close all other overlay apps such as GeForce Experience, NVIDIA Shadow Play overlay, AMD overlay, and then you can launch the game and check. So by following these fixes, you will be able to fix the not launching, crashing issue, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen, black screen problem on PC for the game No Man's Sky. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.